Okay, I don't know if I'm live or not. Dee-dee-dee-dee. I am meant to be, but I don't know. This is so stressful. Oh, I think I am. Hello. Hi. Um. I am meant to be, but I don't know. Yeah. Okay. This is so stressful. Oh, I think I'm live. If it's working okay, please let me know. Um, and if it's not, also let me know. Okay. Let me close this and I might share that on my page. 2 seconds. No one's here anyway, so I guess I can keep talking on my own and see if I can get people to show up. Let's share. Gonna share on the Discord. Hello, there's someone here. Hi. I'm gonna start really soon and we can keep going. Okay, so the idea today, oh god, my chair. The idea today is to explore the AI graphic generator. Is a feature that has been tested and a lot of people got early access through beta test, but I didn't, so I had to wait until it was released for everyone, and that was done this week. So it's a very new tool, not a lot of tutorials on how to use it, how it works. So that's what I'm gonna be showing today. I only tested once. What's happening? Sorry. Okay, something happened there. I'm not sure. This is my first time in a long time that I have a live stream up, so if anything is really wrong, just let me know. Okay. Um so this is the first time in a long time that I've been doing a live stream, and today I decided to have a focus point so we can all learn how to use the graphic generator. So I'm gonna jump to my screen and we're gonna start. I'm gonna just put a normal avatar and just a simple outfit just so we can apply the graphics to the avatar. I'm just gonna put the t-shirt that is in Clo and simulate. I'm gonna get rid of the lines and we're gonna start using the graphic generator. Okay, so the way it works is you go on the graphics here on the object browser, and now this tool here should show up to you. If it hasn't, it's because you need to update your software. So just make sure you have it updated. To me, it was really easy because when I try to open Clo, the window pops up saying there are new features and you have to update your software. So just go through that. You don't even have to go to the website to, download the new version. It just pops up when you open the software. So you would click here and this window shows up now called AI graphic generator. It's still in beta phase. So If you haven't, if you don't have any access, that's probably why. But I think it's been released for everyone that has the software, if I'm not mistaken. And then you have a few options here. You have content type. You can select art, and then that window there, this here pops up, and you can select embroidery, patch, or pop art. So we can try to make a embroidery, and then ask if you want transparent background or not, and then prompting. So this is where the AI prompting comes to hand. If you have a lot of experience with prompting, this is where you're gonna use it. And obviously just try to keep the words as like simple but also specific as possible, and not add too many characteristics, because I think this is still very new, so it's just gonna freak out if you have too many words applied to it. So I'm just gonna use, what kind of embroidery do I want? I'm just gonna do flower, pink, flower, maybe leaves, pink, pastel colors. See what that gives me. And then you just click generate, and then on next to generate you have the pen. This maintains the prompt to generate a similar result. So once you have a prompt that you like but you want to maybe try to tweak it a little bit, you can click here to maintain what you already had as a starting point, which I think is really good. It's not going to give you a completely different, output from the first generated image. And this one is just a random prompt, so if you don't really have any idea of what you want, you can just randomly pick a prompt. Okay, so let's see what flower, leaves, and pastel colors gives me. Hello, whoever's there watching. Thank you. Okay, I don't really like that. Let's generate again. That's the thing, the embroidery to me, it always comes out on like a actual embroidery thing, which I think is kind of funny. Let me just do pink, green, try again. That's the thing with AI, you kind of have to try multiple times until you get what you want, or prompt better. Not bad. Flower and leaves, pink and green. You have a history, so you can always go back if you like what comes out. So flower, leaves, pink, green, blue. You can go back to that history tab. Obviously, once you close the software, this project, all of these is going to be gone. But if not, it's going to be here. No, let me take the pen off and do, I don't know, I want an animal. Like lion, flower. It's kind of the prompt I always go for, like something different. Let's see what this is going to give me. See, that went completely wrong. So I can keep the pen and then because that one was okay, so I don't want to go completely different from that. Where is the lion? I guess it just kind of made the flower like fluffy. I don't know. Let's see. Take this out. Just do lion leaves. That's the thing with AI, you never know. What? Come on. Like, what is this? Okay, I'm just gonna use this one, I think. Or let's do a random one. See what comes out. Edgy skull and crossbone patch design. God. Quirky emoji symbol, colorful patch. Obviously, you can take inspiration, maybe find a photo and try to describe the photo on the prompt. But this is still on beta mode, so how is this quirky emoji symbol with colorful patch? I don't see it. But let's do a pop art and describe something. Fruits, banana, and banana and oranges. Watercolor. I don't know. So yeah, don't... Jesus, where is the banana and orange? That's like embroidery and see. It's very weird. What? Super strange. That's not it at all. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna keep this one. And then yeah, I'm gonna apply that. But that is very strange. Some of the things that are showing up are definitely not what we were looking for. Gonna make this bigger. So yeah, you can do whatever you want. And obviously it comes out with no maps, which I think was a little odd. So this literally is just a graphic. Okay, there's no maps on it. So if you want to create the maps and just make this even more, you know, believable as a embroidery, you can do that. But right now it's just a flat image. There's no maps to it. So you would have to create the maps to try to, you know, make it more believable that this is an embroidery. But it looks good, you know, the stitching and all that. Just the actual prompting that is just a little weird. Let's do it nothing, like none. And let's do lion on a beach. Colorful. I don't know. You know, just sometimes prompting is just very strange. What? Lion on the beach. They gave me a lion, but that was it. Okay, that's a bit better. Lion on the beach. Pop art. So this is generating just images, so. Can't lie, that is kind of pop art, but let's go back here. Keep this. This one I actually don't mind, so let's apply that. And I want to keep that and do a patch. Let's see. Yeah, strange. But yeah, so you have the other graphic that you can use as well. It's just a photo really, but it did come out. And then I'm gonna make a actual print with the, was it the fabricator? No, it wasn't really the fabricator. Oh, that's it here. Okay, so on the fabric basic parameters, I'm gonna make a print. Just do knit print. I kind of want like a camouflage. Flowers, pink and green. So there's two generators now. There's the texture one and the graphic one. They are both very still on the beta phase. So don't expect don't expect every single text prompt to work well, but you know, you can get some things done. I actually don't mind this print. It looks okay. So I'm gonna use that. Why is it so transparent? Where's the opacity of this thing? That's strange. Okay. Don't know why it was blue. So yeah. The print looks fine. I actually like the print more than I like the patch. So yeah. You can make like the print tiny. Yeah, so the print You go on the fabric, you can create a new one or just add a new one, and then down here you would make the print. So camouflage type, let me use, go back. Let me use the same prompt and a different type here. Polka dot. Let's see what that would do. How big of a change that would be, you know? I have to say I'm not the best at prompting. I have to practice quite a lot. Oh, it just goes to polka dot. Okay. And if I don't select any, it doesn't let me generate. Okay. But at least it gives you the print with the actual texture of, you know, a certain fabric. It definitely doesn't work that way. Need to do the camouflage. Let me do the pattern bigger. Go back to this. Okay, it's just the same, but bigger. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so it works better, I would say, with the actual texture generator for seamless patterns, you know, seamless prints. Better than the actual graphic generator works for now. Just, you know, from what I tried anyway. It is a new tool. They are probably still working on it, and you know, you can ask them to get it right fully in the first time around, but yeah, this works. But even for something simple, let's say you want like a, I don't know, you have like a printed fabric, a striped fabric or something, stripe, pink and black or something. I don't know, something that sometimes is hard to find. You can kind of make that here. Oh God, why? Huh? Where's the pink? I feel like next time I need to put like a background music or something. It would be nice to just listen to something while showing you guys things, but then I would get fully demonetized, which is not what I want. And they could even put the live down, so don't want to do that. I will be doing these live streams every Thursday, so just get that in your calendar because I'll be back every Thursday at 7. Today was a little later than that because my live stream wasn't coming up for some reason, so it was just very strange. And yeah, but every Thursday at 7 I'll be doing the live streams, okay? And I think we are good with this one because I actually kind of like this print. Yeah, I actually kind of like it. Let's do a 45. That would be a nice touch for like the inside of a outfit, like a lining or something. But yeah, let's do a screenshot here. Okay, and so I can use that. Let me maybe add the patch first. I'll use that in my thumbnails. Yeah, okay. New screenshot. Full screen. Thank you. Window. Thank you very much. Okay, so I think this is going to be it for today's live stream. I feel like I need a little bit more, I don't know, testing with the software. This was like my second time testing out the graphic. The graphic generator is a little odd, tiny little, like a little strange. The prompts, I think, maybe need to be very, very specific because they kind of just go crazy and do whatever they want. But for simple things like flowers or, I don't know, fruits and things like that, I would say it probably works okay. But yeah, maybe there's still a long way for them to still, you know, make it better, make it work better. It is still in beta mode, so things need to still be improved and feedbacks are probably welcome, but simple things like what I was trying to do should work better than it did. But it's a way to start, I guess, and help us out on creating graphics because sometimes we have no idea what graphics we want to use, and everything online on the internet is, you know, owned by someone, so you always have to buy. So this is an easy way to create your own graphics and use them, okay? But yeah, this is it for today's live stream. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll be coming back next week at 7 o'clock, Thursday 7, and new videos on Tuesday. I haven't posted a new video this year yet because I have a really good collaboration coming up for you guys on next Tuesday's video, so keep an eye for that. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next live stream and on Tuesday for the new video coming up. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.